Hello everybody, Average Gamer here. Welcome to another episode of Kerbal Space Program Science for Everything. Alright, so in the last episode we built the TR-10 and we tried something with, I think it was the Thor or the Able. I think it was the Able rocket. No, oh sorry, no, the Juno rocket system. Totally befuddled as to how it worked. Ended up not working the greatest. But yeah. So here we have the Thor/Able rocket system. And right now, I think we're missing something in the middle here, maybe. But, LR-10... Oh, there's two engines. Oh my gosh. So it's supposed to be, guys, one engine beside the other. But yeah, so we are going to try what we are calling the TR-10, or Test Rocket 10. TR for, obviously, Test Rocket, and 10, because it's going to have 10 engines down here in the first stage. So from now on, all our rockets, we're going to name them after the amount of engines that we're going to put on them, starting with this one. We're also going to name them starting from systems. So like, for example, in the Apollo system, well, we had the Apollo rockets, but we have the other on the Saturn rockets, the Saturn 5s and 4s. Things like that. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to start creating our rockets. Once we have a good rocket system, or one that we have actually decided we're going to go with, we're actually going to go and actually name it after one of the planets. Or we might even name them after subscribers. We'll see. Maybe subscribers. But here we go. So we're going to test the TR-10. See if we even have enough oomph to even get off the ground. So here we go. Max thrust right off the hop. And we're going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're out of fuel. And more random stuff blows up over there. Okay. So fuel does not go through this. There we go. So, 10 does not have the oomph to lift us off the ground. Like if we went through, how much fuel do we have to go through before this thing can actually be lifted up? Or do I need better engines? I'm thinking we're going to need better engines. We've burned off almost a third of our fuel now. We're not budging. We've almost burned. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. We're now almost at half. Oh. Here we go. So just shy of half of the fuel tank is what we're able to do. So if we can get something along the lines of maybe an external tank, like smaller tanks on the outside with couplers, for example. Now, I don't know then if the next engine is going to have enough oomph to actually lift this up. We're picking up speed pretty good. But I don't think we're going to have enough oomph to get this thing going. We're going to kind of turn to the right a little bit. Not too much, just enough to get it to start going on the 90. I kind of want to counter the fact that it's trying to take us up like north of the 90. There we go. We're back on the 90 again. We're back on the 90 again. And we're going to tell it to go prograde, and then we're going to lock it in. So on the bright side, once we got past half of our fuel, we were able to get up there. And actually, it's got quite a bit of a oomph. Possibly if we change it to 4 engines and they're just larger, we might be able to have a better kick. So that's going to be the next one, the TR4. So I'm pretty sure this should have enough. Oh, yeah, now we're really, really kicking into the... Wow. Prograde. Take it, take it. Boom, boom. Oh yeah, it's really doing good now. It's doing very good now. Once it burns out, we go right into the next stage. Or is it already? Nope. Perfect. Next stage. Next stage. There we go. I'm going to cut that for a second and see just how high up we're going. We're going 61. So we're going to go... just to there. No, that's still not enough. How much fuel we have? We're almost at half a tank for this one. This one is just going to get us to orbit. It's pretty much got us there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and flatten this out a little bit just before we run out of fuel. Take those two as well. Basically, the plan here is just going to be to flatten our orbit just a little bit. I'm going to try and go maybe 15 degrees down. Now, this isn't meant to... Ow. I just realized our next stage doesn't have that much fuel. So we're just going to hit the 90. And right when I hit the 90, I'm going to go, whoop. I'm gonna stop real quick. Turn that on. I'm going to say, okay, I want you to burn and just get us into orbit. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just get us into orbit. '81, 91, 91, 93, 88, for God's sakes. 91, close enough. Crap. Okay, well, I'm not going to do that anymore. You aim, please. We're going to be really close on the fuel again. Oh, for fuck's sakes, you're gonna do this to me, aren't you? Is it home? Insert. Delete. End. How the hell did I get home? I want it. Oh, no. Seriously. Tab. No, I want my planet. I'm hitting escape. I thought it was escape. Q1. Caps lock. Shift. Could have swore it was backspace. Settings. Close. I'm going to have to look back at what it is. So I know we're out. I just don't know how far out we are or how far off we are. There we go. Well, we almost made it in orbit. So as test number 2 goes, not bad. I'm going to extend all this stuff here. I'm going to tell everything to transmit the data. Okay. So right now it's telling us we have a stored charge. Alright, so failure yet again. Yay, failures! Don't know if we got any science out of this. I don't think we did. You figure I'd be smart and I would actually put a... Oh, this is gonna hit hard. You figure I would learn my lesson and put like a parachute on this thing, but no. If this were to survive, I would be significantly impressed. It's slowing down. Not enough, but it's slowing down. And... Nope, nothing. Okay, so that was the test of the T. We ended up wasting half our fuel. Since this is the last episode before Christmas, let's change this up a little bit. First off, you. Let's do 4 nodes, please. Enable crossfeed. 4 plus we're going to do an extra one in the middle. Why not? Oh, wait a second. I'm sorry, I just had this moment. 38, 38, 115. Oh. There we go. So now it looks like all the other engines are just basically around this engine. This will be our last crazy little experiment. This is the TR-11. Kind of wish I could put more fuel in this stage. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put more fuel in this stage, though. Real quick. No, you're gone. This one? Can I change the scale? Yes, I can. 13 and 16 versus 108. So I'm actually getting even a... You know what? Fuck it. I'll do one like that. Screw it. Which means this engine is going to full size. That should be enough, because we don't have micro ability. Oh, actually, I can probably use one of them. Maybe we could use one of these maybe to put it in orbit. Like that last little oompah. This one's actually stronger than that one. Now, you know what? We'll do this one for now. So here we go. The Test Rocket 11. Our last test before Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everyone, if you celebrate. If you do not, well, Happy Friday. So here we go. Test launching the TR-10 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow. This is impressive. It's loud too. We're at half fuel now. We were just taking off last time. $15. We're going to start tilting over into our prograde now. Oh, wow. So this thing ended up being like super efficient. Holy crap. Alright, so we're gonna break off. We're gonna go to about that. This engine is on. We're gonna go with the 90. We're gonna cut. We're gonna take both of these. We're gonna keep both experiments. We're immediately gonna tell this thing we're gonna add a maneuver at perigee to get into orbit. So that's 137. That'll tell us that, wow, it's way too high. No, I want to keep us generally there. 215. 137, 139. 137, 134. 37, 43. 37, 41. Oh, this is really 36 and 30. You know what? That's close enough. I want you to aim. And at 60, so basically a minute 3 is where we want to do our next burn. We have probably more than enough fuel now. Now we have the that ended up being way more efficient than expected. Oh, no, it should be 33. Sorry, 33 seconds. We're gonna do our next burn. 5, 4, 3. Just getting to half now. These engines here and here are the exact same. So I might just... Oh, I can't do... So this stage will just get us to orbit. Right? And we're in orbit. 178 and 133, which is no big deal to me. Where is the sun? That is the biggest deal. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to couple. And I want this thing to... Oh, no. This thing does not want to... Oh, no. We are going to lose all our electric charge. Or is this one getting hit? It is a little bit. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to launch this one first. Alright, so we don't actually have enough electric charge. We'll enable you to recharge. Okay, so power is a problem because this is not a battery. It's a capacitor bank. This is not getting enough sun. So this thing, pretty much for the rest of its life, is going to just sit in orbit and die. Well, kind of a useless experiment, but an experiment nonetheless. So in the next episode, we're going to try... Well, actually, I'm going to change this up a little bit and put a proper battery on this thing. And trying to think of something to do. Till next time. See you then.